Class, so welcome for our first example no for this topic, the first order linear differential equation FOLDE. So our first sample, we have a given differential equation x to the fourth plus 2y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. Again, so this form is written in implicit form no katong m of xy dx plus n of xy dy is equal to 0. So ato siya i-transform into standard form. So kung ato siya i-transform into standard form, ako tang i-rewrite ni siya. So this becomes x dy is equal to x to the fourth plus 2y dx. So multiply na kung whole equation with 1 over x dx para may mo siya og standard form. So this becomes dy over dx kay 1 over x dx times x dy. So makancel lang x and the remaining is dx. And then here makancel si dx and then mabilin si x. So you have here x to the fourth plus 2y over x. So kung ito i-simplify, this becomes x cubed plus 2y over x. So itong isulat no para mas klaro pag yun, dy over dx is equal to x cubed plus 2y over x. So saan man nato pagkahibalo kung unsa si p of x diri ug si q of x. If you remember, diba, si p of x is abay niya si y. Si q of x wala siya abay, he is just a pure function of x. So aning duha kinsa may naabay og y kani, diba? So in this situation, the mo ni siya si p of x. So ato siya i-rewrite into this standard form, dy over dx plus y. P of x is equal to q of x. So we have here dy over dx plus y p of x daw. So we have y, ipagaso na to dan si y, times p of x. Pila man si p of x? So here, ang p of x na to is just the 2 over x. Pero kaya ito mo siyang gitranspose on this side, this becomes minus or negative 2 over x is equal to ang q of x na to, which is x cubed. We have here x cubed. So this is the standard form of this equation. Atong p of x is equal to negative 2 over x. And then atong q of x is equal to x cubed. Now, sa next buhaton, na-write na to in standard form. We take the integrating factor. So integrating factor, di ba, is equal to integrating factor I of x is equal to e to the integral of p of x dx. Further solve lang na to, e to the integral of negative 2 over x dx. So if you notice, no, this is the u prime, integral of u prime over u du. And this is just the natural logarithmic function. So this becomes e to the negative 2 ln x is equal to, so naman tayo relation sa negative 2, di ba, ln x. If you remember, ang linear equation, natural logarithmic function, if looks like this, a ln x, so this becomes ln x to the a. So kanang abay niya, it becomes the exponent of the natural logarithmic function. Therefore, we can rewrite this as e ln x to the negative 2. Since the exponential function and natural logarithmic function are inverse, so we can cancel them out. To another integrating factor, that becomes x to the negative 2. So this is the first step, standard form. Second step is the integrating factor. The next step is multiply the integrating factor, diba, to the whole equation. So natay dy over dx plus y times negative 2 of 2 over x equal to x cubed multiplied by the integrating factor x to the negative 2. So ako lang i-rewrite din, no, dy over dx plus y negative 2 over x times x to the negative 2 equals to x cubed times x to the negative 2. Diba inyo na dumduman kani siya nga side diri, mura na siya may mug d times ay derivative of y times the integrating factor I of x. So itong I of x is just x to the negative 2 equals to x cubed times x to the negative 2. So that is just x to the 3 minus 2, no? That is equal to x. So, kay ma-add man ilang numerator, so the exponent, so we have 3 plus negative 2 or 3 minus 2, we have just x. So x na lang mabilin. And then integrating both sides, here with respect to x. So kani siya this is the integral, this is the derivative. So ang other nga name ni integral diba is the antiderivative. So they are inverse, mura siya ma-cancel. So say mahitabo kung mura ra siya ma-cancel, I will just rewrite it here. Kay mura man siya ma-cancel, mura din siya ingani na mahitabo y equals to x to negative 2 integral of x dx plus c constant. Okay, nag-integrate naman ta. So y times x to negative 2 is equal to, so unsay ikuha na ni sa x, so this becomes x raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus c yx to the negative 2 is equal to, you have here 1 half x squared plus c. So this is our general solution for the sample problem number 1. So malang yun to no. Make sure ang steps lang na to is first is make it into or write the equation into standard form. Next is get the integrating factor. So I of x or I of y, depende man na. If the equation is dy over dx, so I of x atong kwaon. If the equation is dx over dy, then I of y atong kwaon. After makuha na ito integrating factor, multiply the integrating factor to the whole nga differential equation. And then you can solve na dayon ang general solution.